With hybrid publishing, authors work with a publishing company like She Writes Press that provides professional services like editing, design, and distribution, while the author contributes financially to the process. Hybrid publishing offers a middle ground between traditional and self-publishing by allowing authors access to professional support while also maintaining more control and ownership over their work. Number 3, Vanity publishing. Vanity publishing is where authors pay a fee to a publisher, like Olympia Publishers and Author House, to produce their work. These may be the first ones you receive a positive reply from, but these publishers may not always have stringent quality standards. But remember, when an author pays a publisher to produce their book in this way, the author not only pays for it, but also retains the rights and the copies of the books.